Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wattpad beta app. You will click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Wattpad beta and you click here. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. We'll search about Wattpad beta. If you find updates, then we'll update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.